Hello and welcome to Programming Knowledge. So in the last video I have shown you how to draw a simple plot using plot function provided by the matplotlib library. So in today's video I will be showing you how to use subplots to draw more than one plot, and also I will show you how to draw bar charts using the data. So let me run the what we had done in the previous video. So we had drawn this simple plot which has years from 1950 to 2030 and population in billions in y-axis. So we had drawn for Indian population and Chinese population. So let me show you how to use subplots. I will show you how to plot two subplots in the same adjacent plane. So we'll first remove this xkcd function and let me use some style. So we'll use ggplot for this video, and you can just comment out the plot function first. And now the subplots are plotted as in the way of matrix. So if you want to plot three plots, so what it does is 3 into 1, so that will be in the matrix form. That is, in the first row it will have 3 plots, and it will have first subplot. So like that, in the matrix format it will be like 2 and 1, 3 and 3. So these are passed as parameters to the subplot function. So let me just show you. So with the type plt dot subplot, so in that we'll pass our first one row, and we'll display two subplots, 2 comma first subplot. Okay, this is like indexing. So we'll give the plot function now, and inside that we'll pass our year, comma population of China, comma label equal to China, comma color will give it as orange, or not orange, red will give. Okay, so we'll give plot dot title, that will be subplot 1, and our x label, y label will give it as year, and y label will be population millions. So same way we'll type it for subplot 2. In that we'll pass 1 comma second subplot, comma 2, and we'll type plt dot plot function. In that we pass year, comma population of India, comma label equal to India, comma color equal to green. So remember, we have to pass the legend function on top also, below the first subplot, and we'll type title. So plt dot title will give it as subplot 2, and just copy the x label and y label from top. Okay, and we'll save and we'll run. So as you can see, we got 2 subplots, and in one we have China and another one is India we have. Yeah, but you can see that One is little bit bigger and one is little bit smaller, the grid function. This is, I think, the due to the values which are passed. Okay, so this is how you plot two subplots side by side. You can also try with different method like style, that is 538. So let me see that how it looks. Okay, so this looks really nice. So this is 538 style. Okay, so we'll create a new file for bar charts. So we'll type bar chart. Yes, and as you can see, also it is added to our Git repository, and also I have uploaded for subplot. We'll copy the data from our main file to the bar chart. Okay, that is year, population, China, India, and we'll get ending lines. Place it here. Okay, we can just directly plot the bar chart using bar function. In that we'll pass the same year and population of India, comma, label equal to, we'll pass India, comma, color equal to green. Okay, so same we'll copy and paste it here, and here we pass population of China and make it label as China, and color would be gray, red. So if we now run this file, we'll get bar chart like this. Our China bar chart is showing perfectly, but our green colored India's bar chart is like little bit showcasing. This is actually happening because the China bar chart is overlaying on top of India's bar chart. Let me show you. So for that we can use a method that uses offset to separate out the values. But first what we'll do is we'll trim down our data, so will only contain values from 2015 to 2025. So for that we'll cancel out this. Okay. Okay, so now it is done. Let me comment this out. You can run this. It will give a bar chart. Okay. So what if we want to draw one more bar chart? So if we run, we cannot see the green one. It is overlaid by this China's population. So for that we have a method to overcome that. So for that we have to use something called as width. So by default it is 0.25, I guess. Okay, and we also have to pass indices. We'll create variable called indices, and in that we pass the function from numpy and p dot a range, and it will contain the length of our. This should actually come on top right here. So it should contain our year list. Okay. So we have not imported numpy yet, so just import it. Okay, the numpy is imported, and what we have to do is we have to pass the indices in each and every function of bar. So we type indices, comma here, and again indices, comma here. So if we run it again, it's a full red color because these indices are not properly set up to work with our years in particular. So it is just giving us the index from 0 to 10. Okay, so what we will do is we'll, for first bar we'll do indices minus width. For second we'll keep it as same, and we'll pass width equal to width, so that the function will know that we have changed the width value, and also we'll include, just to subplot, our title in the next label and y label. So this will be for first one, and for will not require for second one. Just paste it below. Okay. Type population comparison between India and China. Okay, so if we run this now, okay, we got an error. It is saying we got multiple. So we forgot to remove the year because we are already passing it through the indices. So we'll remove here, and we'll also remove here from here. And if we save and if we run, we can see the India versus China comparison, but years are still showing us indices. So for that to work, we have to pass a function called pid.xticks. So in that we have to pass ticks as parameter. For that we'll pass our indices variable and comma. We also pass label equal to the year. And if we save and if we run, you can see our years are shown here. You can see the growth is increasing, and actually at around 2022, 23, 24, India is like near to China. In 25 it will cross to China, I guess. So this is how we plot a bar chart, a vertical bar chart actually. So I will see you in the next video.